Let's just begin. As always, I like to clear up your energetic field. And अगर आपको इसमें यहाँ sound सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, it doesn't matter. It's going to be recorded, and you'll get this process separately, जो आप कर सकते हैं for your confidence. Okay. So I am going to use instruments because ये instruments are very, very important. The sound is very important to just clear up your energetic field. Okay. So please just close your eyes, take a couple of deep breaths. You won't be able to hear the sound very well, but what you're going to just think and feel right now is कि कोई sound आ रहा है. Sound is also a vibration. So just think of that. A vibration is coming, energetic vibration, and it's clearing up my energetic field. And as it's clearing up the energetic field, we're just opening up all your chakras. And those who are feeling that heaviness in the heart, जब भी मैं कुछ some particular thing that I was talking about, please open up your heart chakra and just let that energy flow out. और जैसे ही वो energy आपके चक्र से बाहर निकलती है, आपके हार्ट चक्र जो छाती के एकदम बीच में है, वो निकलती है, वो एनर्जी इट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू लव. जो भी आपका स्ट्रेस है, जो भी आपकी परेशानियां हैं, वो सब अभी अपने हार्ट चक्र से आप निकालेंगे. जस्ट गिव परमिशन फॉर दैट एनर्जी टू लीव. Please be aware कि आपके from you're surrounded by the high frequency of love. Each and every participant is surrounded by the high frequency of love. And that high frequency is also helping you. As you breathe in now, please breathe in, I love myself. I appreciate myself. I honor myself. And as you breathe out, you're breathing out stress, tension, worry, sadness, feeling of helplessness. जब confidence नहीं होता तो helpless feel करते हैं. Just let it go. You're going to be confident now. From today on, आपकी intention है, I'm going to be confident. Even more confident. Now we're going to call in Mother Earth's energies from, if you're lying down, from beneath your body, deep from inside Mother Earth. वो energies आ रही हैं, they're rising up and entering your body. If you are sitting, अगर आप बैठे हुए हैं, तो आपके पैरों में से ये Mother Earth's energies are flowing into your body. The colors of Mother Earth's energies are rainbow colors. वो रेनबो जो होती हम देखते हैं, that is the energy frequency band of the earth. So let those rainbow colors now, even if you can't imagine it, you cannot see it, please just know कि ये हो रहा है. Mother Earth's energies, जब भी हम request करते हैं, invite करते हैं धरती की energies को, वो हमेशा अवश्य आती हैं, and they're flowing into your body. And as they're flowing into your body, they're also swirling around. जैसे washing machine होती है, वैसे ही from your feet upwards, वो गोल सा round like whirlpool action हो रहा है, गोल 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 ऊपर जा रहा है. And as it's washing, this energy is washing through you in rainbow colors and lifting up. It's taking all the fear with it. and as it's reaching on top, it's just converting, leaving your body an energetic field, it's converting into love. और फिर ये जो energy keeps moving up into the heavens above, into the highest fields of light, love and frequency, और वहां से energy is coming down like a white light, and as that light reaches your body, again whirlpool action, whirling around you through your body down to your feet and going into the earth. Please do that a couple of times. You can match it with your breath. जब आप सांस अंदर ले रहे हैं तो वो धरती की एनर्जी आपकी बॉडी में से ऊपर जा रही है. अब सांस बाहर निकाल रहे हैं, दैट एनर्जी, हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी एनर्जी ऊपर से आपकी एनर्जी आपकी बॉडी में से नीचे जा रही है. So अंदर की सांस, बाहर की सांस, whatever you're feeling comfortable in, please do it. But know that it is happening. ये हो रहा है. Some of you still need to please focus on your heart chakra and just let that congested, blocked energy leave from the heart chakra. Open up, everyone. Please open up your heart chakra right now. And how do you open it up? Intention set कीजिए और जरूर होगा. Just open up your heart chakra. It's opening up, and जो भी congested, blocked energy है उसमें it's leaving right now. Some of you will see it. आप फील करेंगे कुछ भारी भारी सा निकल गया है या निकल रहा है. Some others will feel कि कुछ black सा smoke या cloud जा रहा है. This is what people will tell me. जो आप visual हैं, आप में से जो visual है वो cloud देखेंगे या smoke देखेंगे. Some of you will feel it. अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं महसूस करते, it's quite all right. हो रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है. Believe me. Swirling action, washing action, going up, washing action, coming down. Your energetic field is really getting clear and bright now. And with confidence comes calm and peace and strength. Now, right in front of you, please see a double of you. कि आप ही अपने सामने खड़े हुए हैं. But there's a difference in the person, in the version of you standing in front of you. Or that difference is that person is got an energetic field of confidence. तो अगर आप सोचेंगे अभी इस वक्त, what is it to feel or to be very confident? इसमें arrogance नहीं आता, humility आती है. क्योंकि confidence जो आती है वो है in recognition कि हम असलियत में वो चीज है जो हमेशा confident ही होता है. We are that energy, that God energy, which is always confident. So see the version in front of you is about 2-3 feet away and smiling at you, radiating that confidence. And as it's radiating that confidence, what is it feeling like? That confidence, usme, that version of you standing very straight, very confident. There is a frequency and an energy and a vibration which is amazing. और जैसे आप महसूस कर रहे हैं, that person, that version of you in front of you it's got a force field. जैसे एक एनर्जी की फील्ड है which it is radiating out from itself, this version of you, which is very forceful, very calm, very peaceful, very strong. It's smiling at you. And you can feel the energy and the force of that confidence. It's very brightly lit up, this version of you. जैसे रोशनी चमक रही है from this version of you. Now smiling at you, that version is coming towards you, taking one step, another step. Or as that version of you is coming towards you, you're beginning to really absorb that confidence, that energy of calm, peace, strength, self-love. And you're beginning to absorb it. It's becoming you. You're becoming like that version of you that's walking one step at a time towards you. Not coming very quickly, very fast, so that you can absorb this energy aram se, thoroughly absorb it, feel that each and every cell, each and every particle of your energy and your energetic field is becoming confident and strong, calm and peaceful, sure of whatever steps it takes from this moment forward, because it knows that there is no failure, that everything is a part of figuring it out. But this time there's a confidence. Oh, ye main kar rahi hu, ye main kar raha hu. And my confidence is growing. Now that version of you is right in front of you, and you can feel the strength and the power of that energy of you outside of you, but now saturating you in each and every particle, each and every cell of your body and your energetic field. And now with just one step, that version of you turns and faces outwards with its back towards you, and then steps back into you and becomes one with you. And as that happens, you're just feeling a jolt of energy, and of joy, of happiness, of knowing you are once more aligned with who you are. जो आप बचपन में थे, जो आप बच्चे होते, baby, as a toddler, जो आप थे, वो आप फिर से हैं. Just feel that energy now radiating throughout your body. You're becoming light, you're becoming vibrant. And now as you look into the world and look just with new eyes, you promise yourself, अपने आप को वादा करते हैं कि आप in the moment of now आप रहेंगे. Not going to look back in the past except for the wisdom gained. And you realize कि confidence तो हमेशा मेरे अंदर ही थी. It's always there. थोड़ी सी दब गई थी, पर मेरे अंदर है. वो शक्ति मेरे अंदर है. And feel it right now. Feel yourself really standing, even if you're lying down, but you're visualizing. आप अपने आप को देख रहे हैं. You're standing tall, strong, confident, calm, peaceful. बहुत courage है to tackle anything in life that's forward in front of you. You got it. आपके अंदर वो शक्ति है. And you feel relieved. You feel very happy. कि मुझे तो ये पता ही नहीं था that I have it in me to do anything I want to do. मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. मैं हर चीज जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ, पाना चाहता हूँ, मैं कर सकता हूँ. Feeling good, feeling relieved. We are now going to stabilize this energy with the Moyo drum, because ये जो नई energy has come into you, it needs to be stabilized with sound. And just listen to these sounds. Let, even if you can't hear it right now, अगर आप अभी नहीं सुन सकते, you will receive the recording. ये आपके पूरी नई एनर्जी को स्टेबलाइज कर रही है, इंटीग्रेट कर रही है into your being. And set your intention. अभी आप intention set कीजिए that this is going to be your new setting, your new normal. ये है. And the more often you listen to this, especially at night, this process, when you receive it, the more you're going to feel that your confidence is really growing by leaps and bounds. Okay? Let the sounds go deep within you, integrating the energy, stabilizing the energy. And whenever you feel like it, you may open your eyes and come back and join us. I hope everyone's feeling confident. Yes. Yes, good. So please do it whenever you feel a little low और लगता है कि confidence आज मेरे में नहीं है, जरूर कीजिए. Okay? And it will be very, very powerful for you. Okay?